Good morning children, welcome back. Before we start today's class, like yesterday we will do little exercise. Yesterday we did exercise on the arms and neck. Today we will do on eyes for better blood circulation and your wrist. You have to write, no? So you have to make this flexible. So first let's start. Roll your eyes like this, like look at me and do like this, okay? Once again do like this. Alright, now see, take your fist like this and roll it like this. Do round, make it round and this way, okay? This way and this way, okay. Now we can start the class. Come. Today we will do new words with EG sound. We are still in vowel sound E, but ED is over. Now we are going on to EG. EG word family. Yes, you all have families. We all have family. Yes, mummy, daddy, brother, sister, uncle, auntie. So even EG words have some family. Okay, these are the EG word family. Now let's take the word. First word, peg. What is the first word? Peg. P-E-G. Peg. We already learned what is the vowel sound of E. Egg. We are saying egg. Like you see for E-G-G, egg. You all like to eat egg, no? What do you like? Boiled egg, poached, fried egg, omelette. Which is your favorite? My favorite is omelette. Yours, children? So yes, remember the sound of egg. So that is the sound of E-G. Egg. P-E-G. Peg. Egg. P-E-G. Peg. Egg. P-E-G. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. Next word, meg. M-E-G. Meg. M-E-G. Meg. M-E-G. Meg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. Next word is teg. T-E-G. Teg. T-E-G. Teg. Next is beg. B-E-G. Beg. B-E-G. Beg. Okay. Peg. What is peg? When we dry our clothes, we put those clips. Those drying clips are called peg. Meg is a name. We all have names, no? You also have name. I also have a name. So Meg is a name of a girl. Leg. Your legs. Keg. Keg is a wooden barrel. It is a, you can say, a wooden drum where you can keep water, juice or wine. Next is teg. T-E-G. Teg is a name of a boy. Beg. Beg means when you beg. So that is the meaning of beg. Okay, let's revise the words once again, children. Say with me. You sit, you also open your mouth and say with me, okay? P-E-G. Peg. P-E-G. Peg. M-E-G. Meg. M-E-G. Meg. L-E-G. Leg. K-E-G. Keg. T-E-G. Teg. B-E-G. Beg. Okay. Now we will write these words. See how you have to write. Okay. Come. P. Write with me. You also start. Take out your exercise notebooks. Take your pencil and start writing with me the way I am writing. See how I am writing, children? And you also start writing like that. Okay. P. E. G. Peg. M. It's It's a name of a girl, so M will be in capital, children, okay? Straight line, slanting line, straight line, slanting line. E, G, Meg. For those of you have a problem, see how you have to write T. You have to take it from inside like this and make it into a C. For G also, you make a C first. Do not lift your hand. Take it up from there and bring it down. That is G. Alright, next word. L, E, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. Next word, keg. K, E, G. See how you will write your small k? Straight line from here. In the middle line, you will make it round and then pull a line here. So, K, E, G, keg. Teg is a name, so again you will write capital T. T, E, G, teg. T, E, G, teg. B, E, G, beg. Okay, I am repeating, you keep writing and saying with me, okay? P, E, G, peg. P, E, G, peg. P, E, G, peg. M, E, G, meg. M, E, G, meg. L, E, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. K, E, G, keg. K, E, G, keg. L, E, G, leg. L, E, G, leg. B, E, G, beg. Now, missing letters. Alright, this is your missing letters. Now, let's see. We have L here, we have G here. What will you put here, children? Say, we have L here, we have G here. What will we put? Yes, E. L, E, G, leg. Next word. Dash, E, G. What will we put over here? Dash, E, G. What will we put? Peg. P, E, G, peg. What will we put? P, E, G, peg. Next word is what? K, E. What will you put? G, keg. K, E, G, keg. Next what we have? T, dash, dash. What will we put? T, E, G, teg. Now we have E and two blanks. What will we put? B, E, G, beg. M, blank, G. M, E, G, meg. Alright, understood? Let's repeat again. L, E, G, leg. P, E, G, peg. K, E, G, keg. T, E, G, teg. B, E, G, beg. M, E, G, meg. So, this was your class on E family. Your homework will be write each word 5 times. Which words? These 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 words you will write 5 times. Let's repeat once again before I end the class. Come with me. P, E, G, peg. Say children. Yes. P, E, G, peg. M, E, G, meg. L-E-G, leg. K-E-G, keg. L-E-G, leg. B-E-G, beg. So, clear children with your E family words? Do these 6 words 5 times in your classwork notebook and send it to your teacher for correction. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.